As you can see at the beginning of the video, our creator is awake very soon and he is leaving his car to the garden. Our creator is very curious about gardening. He keeps planting a new beautiful tree flower inside his garden every day. Our creator has got a very old gardening tool that has become very rusty, and it is very old. It will be very difficult to get out of the ground, and let's see our crate on this. Garding shall see how the creator is getting us out of the ground with this gardening tool. Just get it out. Now our creator is thinking how to get rid of it. It's rotting and its color is completely over it. It's a bit frustrated, but you know that our creator is very interesting. He is thinking about how to get rid of it, and it's a bad tool. But we'll try. Let's go to this city so that it can be cured. Now we are looking at it, how bad it looks. Let's try to take it to the city. See how the blacksmith is going to get his bike, and see how the blacksmith is going to fix it inside the next video. But you have to keep watching the video. Now we are going to the city, and we'll be able to do it faster and faster.
पानी सटू बोड़ 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 दिखा लो। हाँ अच्छा
वीडियो बड़ा हो रहा, मेहनत कर रहा था, नतीजा देखो कितने सख्त गर्मी में जवान लगा पे काम कर रहा था। वीडियो बड़ा हो तो लेंगे पूरा बड़ा
जो बाहर कढ़े ये वो है ना जरा तेज करेंगे। अच्छा साफ साफ भी कर दो चंगी तरह।